back, and for the food reviews, we're not gonna do any food reviews, so I changed to something new, toy reviews. So, time to show you something new, fidget spinner. So let's open it up. Okay, let's check it. Ooh, look at this one. It's so amazing. Let's see it spin. Yeah, looks amazing. See, I can do that. See, it has the star that you can spin it, and at the back, it's the same as Captain America's shield. So it looks amazing. So if you want more toy reviews like this, just make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.